how are you? My name is Myra, and today I'm going to share with you how to copy the same fully constrained sketch into another sketch to use it in the same project that requires two elements with the same dimensions. Okay, another thing I want to tell you before we begin is to let you know that I am using building US dimensions. I work in feet and inches. Okay, I just want to make sure that you guys, we are on the same page. To start with that, we're going to open our bench, the bin bench. Okay, and we're going to start with the first sketch, and it's right there. And we're going to use a snap point, this one, and allow me to draw my first rectangle right here. And I'm going to make this rectangle 12 feet by 10 feet. Let's get the dimensions, and we are here and right there. Let's see, we can change this, my keyboard, and we go for 12 feet and by, you said okay, and this one right here, we are gonna keep it at 10 feet. So we are going to have it at 12 by 10 feet rectangle right there. Boom. All right, this is our first drawing and the first sketch, and before we close it, we're going to select it, and we select it with the left button in your mouse, and then with the right finger you we get the pull down menu, and in the pull down menu we have this tab right here. It says copy in Sketcher, right? So we click on this one, boom, we got it. That's all you have to do, easy peasy. Now we're going to close this and make sure that we click this one. It doesn't have to be, it has to be just like that. And now we're going to bring our next sketch right there, and this one we're going to get it in blue right there. And let's see, I think I have to do this again, and then the right click, pull down menu, and we are gonna set paste in checker. Now we paste it in, and boom, you got it. That's all you have to do. No problemo. So you have two sketches with the same drawing and the same dimension, fully constrained. So we close it, and that's what it is. Now I'm going to give you an example why we need that. What is the reason that I need to have those? Now we're going to open the first sketch, right, this one, okay, and we're going to see if I can do this. We're going to close it in because just wanted to show you, and we're going to build a wall right here. Bam, that's what we got, our wall. Let me make sure that you can see it, and you have your wall, and let me go right here. That's the wall that we needed. Now, in the second sketch, we're going to close our wall, and we're going to open our second sketch right there, and we are going to build the slab of that wall. Boom. Now we have the slab, and we have a wall. Can you see over here? All right. Now we're going to bring the wall alive. We are going to open the wall, and we see that we have the wall and the slab together. And let me go down here so that you can take a nice look of that. So, but there is a discrepancy right here that we are going to fix it right now. We will need it to have this slab in the walls flush. We just go on the wall right here and we go down the data elements and we find alignment. And the alignment, there is a little arrow right here. You click the arrow and click on right. By being right, click in the center and you have it right there. So the wall and the sketch, the wall and the slab are flush, ready to start building your doors and your windows, because this is the bed, right? So it's this construction. There you have it. 2 sketches, the same dimensions, 2 different elements in your project. And this is, don't forget that this is FreeCAD version 1. We have to make sure that, I don't know if the other versions have the same way, but this is version 1. And if you're using the version 1, it's going to be easier for you. And also, please don't forget that I'm using the building US dimensions. Goodbye by now, and please share these skills with somebody else. Bye-bye.